Floors, like every other surface in your home, need the right products when it comes to cleaning. Now Clean Day have a range of floor cleaners to cover all your needs. First, we have the Tile and Floor Cleaner. It's a versatile cleaner for indoor and outdoor use, removing stains, grease and grime. It's available in pine, lemon fresh and citrus burst, as well as a concentrate for more demanding needs. Then we have the Laminate Floor Cleaner. Laminate floors are sensitive to moisture and should never be excessively wet. This ready-to-use cleaner is formulated to remove dirt, grease and grime without needing a lot of water. Just spray a small amount over an area and clean it with a microfiber mop. These products are both ammonia and phosphate free, as well as being biodegradable. Finally, we have Driveway and Paving Cleaner. This heavy-duty outdoor degreaser is non-acidic and removes grease and grime on paving, brick and cement floors. It also uses ingredients that are naturally broken down after dilution and use, making it biodegradable. But as always, read all the safety instructions before use. A great range of floor cleaning products, leaving your floors free of grease and grime. Now these are just some of the cleaning products available at Builders, in store or online at builders.co.za. And for more videos like this, visit the blog on our website. Get to Builders, get it done.